Hello friends, let's write a Java program to find the nth highest number without using Stream API. So we have to write our own logic to find the nth highest number from the list. Let's go to Eclipse and write our logic. So I have already created a class and main method. So directly we can create a list and we can write our logic to find the nth highest number or list number from that list. Let me take a list, and the generic type we are taking as integer list equal to arrays dot as list to assign some numbers. So I'm taking arrays dot as list 5 comma 3 comma 8 comma 2 comma 7 comma 4, some numbers we are taking into this list. Control Shift O, it is importing list and arrays, and here we are taking a collections dot sort method to make sorting. To find the highest number, first we are making a sorting so that it will be in ascending or descending. So based on that, easily we can find out the highest number or nth highest number or small number, something like this. So for that, I am providing list. So if I print that list, it will be sorted in ascending order by default. Let me run. Here it is giving in sorting order. When we use sort method, it will make sorting the elements or numbers in ascending order by default. So from this, easily we can identify nth highest number. So just for example, I required highest number means it should return 8. If we required second highest number means it should return 7. Third highest means 5. Smallest number means 2. Second smallest means 3. So it should give like that. For that, easily we can write a list to dot uh, list to dot get of 0 means it's a smallest number. Smallest number 2 it will give. In case if you required highest number, sys out list to dot get of list to dot size -1 means it's a first highest number. First highest number will be 8, it will give 8. In case if you require second highest number, instead of 1 I will make 2, it will give second highest number from the list. So in case if you required fourth highest number, so fourth highest number means 8 is a first highest, second highest, third highest, fourth highest. Fourth highest will be the 4. 4 is the fourth highest number. 4 is the fourth highest number. So it is giving as per the requirement. But here in interview, the interviewer sometimes they ask us to write our own logic. We should not use any API methods. In that case, we can use the logic for sorting this list. We have to write our own logic to sort the list. For that, we are writing. So in case if I run this, it will give a wrong result because it is printing in not in sorting order. So if you expect, it will give wrong result. For that, first I will make a sorting order. I am taking two for loops. Int I equal to 0, I less than list dot size the I plus plus. So I am looping or iterating from index 0 to last index, and that means I am taking the first number. I want to compare with the next number. In case if it is smaller than this, I have to swap these two elements. Like that, I have to check that 3 I am checking with this one, so it is not smaller. So 3 I am checking with 2, So in case here 2 is smaller, right? So I have to swap. So 2 should come into the first position. So likewise, I have to compare all the elements. For that reason, I am taking one more for loop for int j equal to I plus 1. So the first index element need to check with all the elements. Second index element need to check with all the elements. Something like this. My logic will be something like this. And here I will take -1. Here j less than list dot size j plus plus. That means the first element I will check with all remaining elements. The second element I will check with all remaining elements. Third element I will check with all remaining, like that. So here if list dot get of I, in case here the first iteration if you take 0th element, that means 5. So j equal to I plus 1 means, so I value is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So j value is 1. So we are comparing 0th element with one index element. So here in case I is 0th index element is greater than next element, list dot get of j. In case next element is very smaller than first element, in that case the elements need to be swapped. So for that I am taking some temporary variable and the list dot get of I, that index I element storing into temporary variable list dot I am using set. I want to reset the value, list dot set of, so I is the index, so that means 0th index. In 0th index I need to place list dot get of j. So that means 3 need to be resetting into 0th index. 3 element need to be replaced in 0th index. First index element need to replace into the 0th index element and first index element need to be swapped each other. List dot set of j and here the t. So we are swapping those two elements. Wherever it is, this condition is satisfied, we are swapping the elements. So after this logic execution completes, it will make in sorting order. If you run and see, it is giving in sorting order, it is giving proper result. In case if you give second highest salary, it should give 7 is the second highest salary. Yeah, like this.